So today we're going to be installing this smart garage control, and it uses this app right here, the myQ. And let me give you a quick background. So this is the garage opener that I have, and the issue with it is that the remotes, for some reason, it no longer will work every time. Maybe like once out of 10 times, if I hold the button for a real long time, it'll open the garage door. The button will always work because it's a direct connect, but sending a signal, I think something with the RF is messed up. And rather than paying for a new one, you know, I'm hoping that I can just use this. This was about 20 bucks on Amazon. So let's go ahead and install it and see if we can get it to work. So you open up the app and then you go through it, and then you're gonna choose this garage opener hub, and then you're gonna be asked to enter your Wi-Fi password. For me, I had Smart Connect on my Netgear Nighthawk router, so it wasn't detecting it because I think it was on the 5 gigahertz frequency band. So I had to turn that off, and then it was giving me the 2.4 and the 5, and I connected to the 2.4. Otherwise, it wasn't showing up. So then you just keep following the rest of the steps. Oh, and I don't think I showed where I mounted it, but it's up there by the other AC adapter. And I used the Velcro two-sided adhesive. So I finished the setup. All you had to do was click the little learn button, which is different for every model. Mine's a purple one, and it opened the door. The sensor, I put it in this top right corner. So now, as you can see, the app says the door's open. So I'm gonna click it. There we go. So it should update here in a little bit and say that it's closed. So how cool is that? I'm gonna click open now. And it's open. So now I don't have to worry about those little clickers. This will work. If I'm even at the light that's a mile away, I can click it and it will open. So hope this helps you guys determine if you want to buy this sensor.